Actually playing?
Watch me. Hurry this
Show
way.
me.
It says hurry this way. I'm going. Ah! Took my finger off the attack button. It says hurry this. Oh! Yes! 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 Yes!
Did you win?
You know what? I'm making up for lost time. I wasn't allowed to play video games when I was a kid, so I'm trying to reconnect with that era. You know? I have no idea what Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles are. Because it was gonna rob my brain cells.
Which one are you, babe? Are you the purple? Are you the purple one?
No, babe, I'm the green turtle.
Oh, you're the green one. Oh, okay.
It's very liberating now in my 30s. Ooh, what's this guy? Is he good or bad? I don't even know.
It's C-3PO, babe.
So we thought it would be interesting to try to share with you things that we haven't seen anywhere else, or things we wouldn't expect to see. So we're going to share with you a montage of snippets of things that we think are really unique and fun and not very common. Because there's a lot of stuff here. Let's be honest.
The world's largest mall.
Never seen this before.
Ooh, silky for the body.
Never seen this in a mall before.
That's from Wyoming.
Evet buyurun buyurun. Ice cream buyurun.
Yes.
Do you want it?
Yeah, kinda. I like Pac-Man. Oh. I'm learning about my inner Slytherin. It's awesome.
It's a self-improvement book for Slytherins.
What?
Choose to act on. So now you can write about your lightness and darkness. What side of you is light? What side of you is dark?
What do you think?
What's
happening?
Hey babe, you are the king.
Huh?
I'm surprised you're not getting the This is Sparta one.
Where? This is Sparta. No, it means death and killing. You know,
Oh,
it's a
never
bloodshed.
mind. Not that.
Yeah.
You want to play Ninja Turtles?
Yes, Mortal Kombat.
Okay guys, there are 1,000 retailers here. To put that in perspective, our local mall in the edge of Beverly Hills, Century City, Los Angeles, has 217. That is like 5 of our malls in Los Angeles, one of the very beautiful malls that we have in Los Angeles. This is insane. They have everything here. Find your joy inside yourself or inside? Good question.
Cup of tea. Would you like a cup of tea?
This is fun though on the other side here. Lots of British brands and eateries.
What do you think?
I'm excited for the fountains.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. So cool. It's forever huge. Look at it. Wow. Yeah. Okay, when you get to do the fountains, the Bellagio, they're beautiful. You get to listen to the music and fountains. Here, you get to actually float around the fountains while they're going on. Every 30 minutes, the boat rides at 30 minutes. You get to hear at least one song and enjoy the fountains while you're in the water. One of the most powerful experiences here at the Mall of Dubai.
I am all about the once-in-a-lifetime experiences, so I'm just loving this. No other place in the world that I know of can you be in a place like this, go into the water and really experience this whole part, really. The mall, the birds, like everything, all in one moment with a beautiful song and a beautiful fountain. It's such a treat, and I just so am filled with appreciation and joy for everyone who had a part in creating this, imagining it, and making it into reality. It's a really special moment.
That's on the inside, babe.
It really feels like a mix of Vegas and Venice, if you ask me, right now, being on the water. Like, these lamps and everything, beautiful. The water is so peaceful. There's no like sound from the motor. The wind is perfect. I wish you guys could be here right now just to feel how perfect the weather is. It is warm, but it's not hot, and it's just such a relaxing atmosphere with the light music, very delicate music, not overpowering. Everyone seems pretty chill and relaxed, but not chill as in like, you know, irreverent or not caring, but like interested and engaged, but also relaxed in that process. So it's really cool. Hey. Should be fun.
Yeah. Those ones with the silver sticker, the highest score for you today is 148. The Sky Lounge. For those ones with the black sticker, level 154. Yeah, okay.
Alrighty, I was born for this. Born for this.
First time I'm hearing about it.
What?
This is what you were born for?
Yeah, of course.
Well, I'm glad to be here with you in this moment.
They're collecting lighters and marijuana, memorabilia. I have a super powerful sticker, this one, which means I can pass everyone behind me like that. They're in the dust, like I'm like Lightning McQueen.
these things and to also share them with everyone else who wants to come here and or who would love to just see what it's like because maybe for whatever reason they're not able to in this time, but we love to share this with you. And if you're enjoying these videos here in Dubai, please like and subscribe. We have a lot of amazing things planned for you guys.
What do you think?
Perfect place for my introvert.
No one else. This is great.
It's his dream.
Personal deck on 151. That's stories, by the way. 151 stories up. That's what it feels like to be a mile in the sky and still breathe the oxygen outside instead of inside the plane. So, feels pretty good. Oxygen's good up here.
Welcome to the Burj Khalifa. This is incredible, guys. What an experience. Never in my life have I ever been on a building this high up. And in fact, if I think about it, nobody else in the world right now is on a building this high up, apart from us and a couple other people that are here with us today.
Ready? You get ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Just attacking people. These are so violent. Okay. Ah.